So this question says the function g is defined by g of x is equal to x plus 14 times t minus x, where t is a constant. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals g of x passes through the point 24, 0. Now that's very important because it's letting us know that when x equals 24, y equals 0, but because we're in function form here and because the question just told us y equals g of x, that means g of x is equal to 0, right? So when x is 24, g of x is equal to 0. What is the value of g of 0? Well, I don't know what g of 0 is, but I can figure out some things based upon this bit of information, so I'm going to start there. So this information tells me that g of x is 0 when x is 24. So I'm going to replace g of x with 0 and replace x with 24 and see what happens. I'll have a t minus 24 in the second parentheses. So now I have 0 equals 24 plus 14, which is 38. And then still this t minus 24. Of course, I can divide everything here by 38. And I'd be left with 0 equals t minus 24, which of course, after adding 24 to both sides of the equation, I'm left with t is equal to 24. So there I have my 24. That's what the purpose of this information here was, just for us to solve for t. So now I know that g of x is equal to x plus 14 times 24 minus x, right? Because I know that t is 24. So now the question is asking, well, what's g of 0? Okay, so g of 0 just means that I took my x position here, replaced it with 0. So I'm going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side of my equation. So instead of x, I'm going to replace it with a 0. Everything else stays the same. So I have 0 plus 14. I have 24 minus 0. Okay, so 0 plus 14 is just 14. 24 minus 0 is just 24. So it looks like g of 0 is going to equal 14 times 24. I go to my calculator. I'm going to figure out what is 14 times 24. Let's just do that really quickly. And I get that that is equal to 336. Therefore, the correct answer here is 336.